Thank you for joining me today for this meditation session. My name is Carol. Today's session will be focusing specifically on breathing through moments of anger. As with any of our sessions, I invite you to make this meditation your own. This is a time that you have set aside and created for yourself. Let's honor that and let's get started. Come into a comfortable position. Wherever you are, invite your body to sink into this relaxed place for the next few minutes. Softly and gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to come to rest. Wherever and however you are is just where you need to be right now. This is perfect. Let's start by bringing attention to our breathing. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Notice how your breath feels right now. However it is, it's perfectly okay. Your breath is doing exactly what it needs to be doing right now. As you continue breathing at your own pace, I'm going to start talking about feelings of anger. You may or may not be feeling angry right now. My hope is to invite you to recognize feelings of anger both in and out of this meditation, and accept them just as valid and important as any other feelings we have. Invite those feelings of anger to sit with you in a way that feels grounded in your body and mind. Acknowledge, consider that those feelings are serving a purpose for you. Remember to continue breathing in and out. Often, when we feel angry, our body tenses, our jaws tense, and our breathing becomes more shallow, becomes more tight. So try to deepen each breath in and each breath out to fill your lungs, fill your body with as much nourishment, care as surrounds you. Continue breathing in and out. When we're feeling angry, it may feel like our mind and body are being pushed or pulled in some way outside of our control. So when we breathe, we're able to take back that control that we feel like has been taken. Anger might be a way of your body and your mind telling you something. It might be a way of your body and mind caring for itself, caring for you. It can be your mind protecting yourself from being hurt. Anger can be a pathway to resolution and groundedness. Breathe. Anger can be illuminating. Feeling angry is okay and valid. Continue breathing in and out. If you feel your mind drifting, softly bring your focus back to your breath. Give your mind permission to be in the present moment as completely as possible, however it is. Whatever thoughts and feelings arise within you are totally okay. Just invite them to sit with you, outside of you, as you continue breathing and focusing on your breath. You're doing great. Your breath is doing exactly what it needs to be doing right now. As you take a few final deep moments, final deep breaths nearing the end of our session here today, I invite you to appreciate the time and space that you set aside for yourself today. You may have had feelings of anger bubble up, and I'm grateful for those feelings. I thank you for your willingness to sit with them and acknowledge them in this session with me. Remember that even outside of this space, you can always bring yourself back to your breath. Whenever you may be feeling angry or unsteady, taking a couple deep, full breaths in the middle of the day is always a tool that you carry with you. Let's finally slowly ease back to the present now. Gently stretch your fingers, move your toes, move your shoulders, your neck. Take a couple deep final breaths here. Softly open your eyes back into the present.